Yeah, I don't know if the picture worked again. My phone's freezing. So I think the video's working. Holy snap, there's a solid inch. Look, solid inch, and it's coming down. 14 degrees. This is the amigos. The amigos first snow. Hey guys. Huh? We'll have to post it on your channel. Get him! Get him! Yeah. Look at Danny. Two little butts.
The Barinskis.
Uh-huh.
Can you go in the field today? There's no ticks today.
Yeah, no ticks. Maybe this will kill all the ticks and mosquitoes.